It's the time for the package from China. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the bootleg, and this is the one from Gokou saying farewell. Like I say, remember it was the last episode. I picked it up for around 30 euros. I don't know if it's going to be a pretty good deal. I think it's a little bit of a good deal, a little bit, depending on like when you watch this, because the prices of these bloody things go up and down. But the other thing I'm wondering, like, did the seller sell me like a new one, or is it a used one? Ooh, they did use a lot of bubble wrap. The box is going to be in the storage, like all the boxes. So I think that's like the last of my problems. I don't know, like, let me know in the comments, do you save the boxes? Because they are like bootlegs, and even despite bootlegs can go up in prices. Alright, so let's see if he does open it up. Ooh, this thing looks nice. So let's see, what are we going to get? We're going to get two pieces over here. Standing block, alright. Let's open it up. So this thing is brand new. I think 30 for a brand new product is not bad at all. It's made of very cheap plastic. You can just feel it. I'm wondering if this thing will stand without the support block. So that's a little bit of a bummer that this thing feels so cheap. Cheap. Okay, let's take a close look at Goku. I don't know what to think about his, let's say his, just the way how it looks, you know, like, it is very thin plastic, very flexible and thin plastic, but when you're looking at the skin, it's more like this orange looking skin. You can see like this is like white, and in the middle is a little bit of an effect to it. Then I like the balance of the paint job is not great. You can see like, it's like they missed the spot, you know, like look at this neck, it's like all white, and here have like this brownish orange looking color, but nevertheless. Okay, so let's take a good look and put this thing together. Like always the question, like, is this going to be looking nice? Alright, I need to bend it a little bit. Alright, that fits in very well. Okay, so the other thing I found a little bit of bummer, you can see like there is even a gap between part of his hair. So the quality is not the best I have seen. Funny thing is like this torso, or basically the upper part of the figure, is like full plastic. But when you're looking at the blacks, they are like these very thin, cheap feel plastics. Alright, I think I need to put it together like that. Alright, so let's put the... Oh man, okay, it's going to be one of those things. And I need to figure out how to put this. Oh, okay, so this is basically loose. I think that the previous seller, or the previous factory, just assembled it and left it what it is. But, you know, like this is what I hate about these bootlegs. Oh man, it doesn't fit that well. Oh, let's get rid of the freaking plastic. So when you want to assemble this part, you can see like it doesn't go in all the way. I'm just going to leave it like this because it fits perfectly this way. And it looks amazing. You don't really notice it. So that's not going to be a problem. What's going to be a problem is this part. To get this back in its position. I'm still fighting with it. I'm just going to tell you that. I'm still fighting like crazy with it to get it in its position. Otherwise I'm going to glue that sucker in. Alright, so it is finally fully assembled. And I must say, like, the final result is okay. I'm not the biggest fan of this figure in general. Like Dragon Ball GT, I'm not the biggest fan of that. But I just wanted to have this in the collection and check out how this bootleg is. Is it any good for the money, or is it absolutely a waste? And just like when you're looking at certain parts, like, and overall the quality is okay. The only thing I don't like is the paint over here, the paint job in the middle, and not to forget his hair. So if this part was looking very good and you don't have like these very thick mold lines in here, I think it would be like a very good statue. And for a bootleg it was not bad, but in the end it isn't, so this is basically what we're going to get. By the way, looking at the facial expression, it looks very good. Not perfect, I have seen myself some very good like statues nowadays or figures, but overall for a bootleg they did a good job, especially when you're looking at its face. Let's zoom in a little bit, and here you can see like even his mouth doesn't have like weird paint flaws or stuff like that. So I think for a bootleg this thing will fit perfectly in my collection. And maybe in the future we can find the original one and do a side-by-side comparison. Okay guys, I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become the Wicked family, and let me know in the comments what do you think of this. And it would be great to just see you in the next video.